My mom died.
with
I
custody,
understand that.
they need to be
But
taken back in by CPS,
there has
and
been-
CPS has to do
there
the
has
paperwork.
been paperwork filed through the courts. It's now up to the courts.
So basically,
So-
so what you're telling us,
You need
Because
to
they got here
contact
first.
the county attorney.
The husband wasn't even at the hospital
Listen,
when she
I
died.
understand all that.
once the county attorney gets involved, we're not above the county attorney. They handle their paperwork. We
So
have to listen to them.
then
If it
then
becomes
make
criminal,
them open the
we
door
get
so I can
involved.
file the paperwork.
But it's
Because they're refusing
custody.
to file the paperwork.
Okay, I can't go over there and say, please open the door for this lady.
Why is a county courthouse even locked?
That's not the courthouse, that's the county attorney's office. The
Okay,
courthouse
why is the
right
county
next to
attorney
it.
office closed?
It's a safety issue. It's not closed, but it's a safety issue. You can't just have people coming into the
So
county attorney's
basically, you're
office.
telling me that the county attorney's bought and paid for by them because he can.
I don't even understand what you just said now.
So David,
Yeah,
the
mom.
step grandfather,
Are you talking about the?
has bought the county attorney off
No, he
so
didn't.
that he could file custody papers and keep me locked out of the building.
No, he didn't buy them off. He
Then
didn't say.
how
He
do you
didn't say if this
explain
lady
it that I'm
comes.
not allowed in the building to file paperwork?
Because she's the grandmother, bro. This is the grandma. By blood,
Who's
she's the
David?
grandma.
Who's David?
David is my new stepdad.
Okay.
He's a nobody.
Again, I don't know. I don't know.
My mom has emergency temporary custody of the kids. Well, my mom died, so here's the other grandmother. Why isn't the other grandmother allowed to take my kids back home with her?
When Chief's coming, he'll have this sorted out in a minute. Okay. How you doing, sir?
Call the newspaper. Call the news.
Yeah, get the news here.
Yeah, call the news.
Meade County RECC or Meade County Gazette. I don't know. My mom died this morning. Thank you, bro.
Come to the CPS office. CPS office says there is no CPS worker in the building. Call the phone. They have no one in the office. We'll see what we can do for you. I can give you an ombudsman who happens to come out of another county across the state. So, I'm here to pick up my grandchildren who have no custody established. They should be relinquished to my care by the CPS worker who is not here and not answering the phone. And the county
Absolutely.
attorney refuses to open the door so that I can file for my grandchildren. Okay,
I'm already totally aware of this whole situation.
right, because you're bought and paid for by Diane and David.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
No, you're not sorry I feel that way.
I haven't had no payment
Y'all,
or
I mean,
anything.
what'd she do? Lay up with you too?
I don't know why you're talking to me that way.
Well, because you're refusing.
If you want to get disorderly, we can get disorderly. I just take
There's
you to
no
jail.
disorderly about it. I just call it a spade a spade.
Because I don't know
Because
I don't
y'all
know
know
why you're
that the
coming at me
woman is
verbally.
dead and refuse to remove the children from the home.
Well, apparently that's where the children have been.
So,
Per the court.
but she's dead.
But she's dead, bro.
I'm talking to her right now. Okay?
She died,
I understand
which
that.
removed her custody,
I
which
understand
removes
that.
them. I'm the grandmother.
You gotta talk to
I'm blood.
You gotta talk to the county attorney. and
I'm the
everything about
maternal
that.
grandmother.
You gotta talk to the county attorney.
But
The
they
door's
don't
locked.
answer the door.
You can call them.
I did.
Well, I can't
I
make them
can't
open.
get past the desk.
I can't make them open the door. I can't make them answer the phone.
Wow. I guess it's going federal.
Do what you feel like you need to do. I know why the kids are taken away too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know why they're not returned? Do you know why they're not returned also?
That's not on me.
Okay, well, you're holding my past in my face against me right now.
That's the
Is
court-
that what you're
that's
saying?
the court system that did
Is that what
it,
you're
not
saying?
me.
No.
Basically,
They
y'all
haven't
went-
did
that-
that.
y'all
I'm glad
went
you
down
said
there
they
and
did
spoke
that.
to
They
them.
didn't do that yet.
And-
That was CPS and that
Spoke to
was
David.
the court
I
system.
didn't speak to David. David came to the county attorney's office.
Okay, so how
While
come
his
he
wife
can
was
get through
dying,
the
he came
door?
to the county attorney's office. Mhm.
Okay,
No,
listen,
it
I-
wasn't. It was after that.
No,
Whatever
Diane
went
died
down.
at 10:45.
Whatever went down, I don't know.
It was after
Okay.
that.
But he was able to sign emergency custody of the grandkids.
Why? He's not a
Why?
paternal. He's not paternal.
But listen, I don't know why. I'm just telling you what happened. Okay? I cannot dispute anything that has happened. I can't go to the county attorney and say, rip that paperwork up because of this. It's signed. If you want to dispute it, you can take them to court and you can fight for custody.
Do y'all have a family attorney?
No.
I'm not paying for something that I'm entitled to.
You're not entitled
That's
to
just
it.
your, that's
Yeah, I
your
am.
option.
You're
her
the
grandma.
grandparent.
Yeah,
They
and
are,
he's a nobody.
they are the parents.
Yeah, and the person they're with is a nobody.
He's not
a
related
walking piece
whatsoever
of
by
trash.
blood, bro.
Were they married?
Yes.
So,
Okay. If he's on the paperwork and
He's
He
not.
wasn't on the paperwork.
He's not, bro.
At all.
He's not on the paperwork.
so y'all can be as happy as little larks as you want.
I'm not happy at all.
Well,
I'm sorry.
It's
Mom
okay.
died.
It just means
I'm
that
sorry this is happening. I'm just trying to tell you what has happened. And you keep yelling at me like I'm wrong.
that's okay. I'm done. Y'all have a good day.
Do you have any more questions?
No thanks. I have better things to do than deal with y'all.
That's the grandmother. We're the parents.
Okay. So here's the deal. Nothing's going to change where it's at. The only thing I can tell you is show up in court on the court date and basically bring your whatever side or argument that you want to bring before the judge. The judge has already made their determination. That's where the kids have been. If there's anything that needs to be changed, then the judge can make that determination from that point. But if somebody else showed up and done paperwork before or something else, not to say that it would have went in a different direction, but the paperwork's already been signed by a judge. The judge is not.
I was at the hospital with my mother where my stepdad should have been with his dying wife. They demanded that I pull the plug on my mother, who's brain dead, so that she would be
Get
dead,
in the
okay?
car. Don't speak to anybody.
All right, they're on video anyway.